Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to track changes in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel account, which of course I have done right here. Okay, so of course, how do you get Microsoft Excel? It's a product that is linked into Microsoft. So let's launch your Microsoft store and locate Excel, and it's just going to automatically create an account for you. Then just open up the app and it's going to take you right into this window. So over here, how can you track changes that you make in Excel? Okay, so in here, as you can see, I just want to make a change to this particular stuff. So I'm selecting this to governments because that's how it was. It was in government before. So I made a few changes. Let's say this is mid-market, and like mid-markets for now. And I just want to keep editing this, so just like mid-market for now, and I want to track the change for this. All I need to do is to head over to the top corner of my screen. Here you have insert, you have review, you have draw, you have page layout, you have format, you have data, you have review. So this review, and of course you have view, and you have quite a lot of options in this place that you can choose. So if you want to track changes, here's exactly what you can do to track changes. So for the document that I previously opened, I cannot track changes in that document because it's a classified document, so track changes was not enabled. So I had to create a new document. So if I want to track changes, let's say I added something to this, and that's going to be let's say name. I just want to quickly, and under this name, I'm going to give a space, and I'm going to add favor, and here should be Victor, and here should be Emmanuel. Okay, so I can add something else here, and let's say while I'm working on this data entry form and I want to track changes while I'm editing, I'm just going to head over. So here at the top corner, you have file, home, insert, draw, you have page layout, you have formulas, you have data, review, view and help. Go ahead and click on review. So in this review, now you have the spelling, you have check accessibility, all the way down to track changes. So head over to the changes segment. You have protect and share workbook, allow users to edit, and you have track changes. So go ahead and click on track changes. So you can click on highlight changes or accept and reject changes. That's accept and reject changes. Somebody makes changes to your work, so you can just click on accept and reject changes, but go ahead and click on highlight changes. So track changes while editing. This also shares your workbook. So highlights which changes, all, or you can even make changes to this if it's not all. And everyone can see where you can select this as well, but other things do not look accessible to you, and then check this box. So once you check this box, go ahead and click on all, or how many not yet reviewed, or seen states, just whatever, how many people can access it. Let's say everyone, or everyone but me. And where, how many people can track this change. So where can you track these changes to? You can go ahead and select where you want to do that. And highlight changes on the screen, yes. If you don't want to highlight the change on the screen, just go ahead and check this box and leave it, because I want to highlight changes on the screen, and list changes on the new sheet if you want to, and click on OK. So now I have enabled this. So just go ahead and click on save. So track changes has been on for this. So whatever change that I make, let's say I want to make change to this name, and I clicked on Vincent's. All right, so you can see that that change has been tracked. As you can see, that has been tracked. So I select this, and you see now change cell A4 from Victor to Vincent. So that's it. That's pretty much how you can track changes right here in Microsoft Excel. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.